Right, guys, I've only got 2% charge on my phone. It isn't charging properly because I keep going on it all the time. So I'm just going to make this quick video, and then when it's charged up, I'll come back on. I'll just have a little catch up with you. Daisy, please. Now he's starting. Oh, come on, guys. You just don't seem to give me any peace like kids. Like kids, tell you like bloody kids. I'm gonna just trim my bloody head. Just a minute. What's the noise? Where the fuck is that noise coming from? What's it doing? Guys, no. Shh. 1 minute, be quiet. Oh. Oh. I could hear this noise not long ago and I thought, what the hell's that? So I kept listening for it. Hang on, I'll go get it. 1 minute. I was listening and thinking, where's that noise coming from? And every time I stand up, try and listen for no noise, the dogs jump up and all run to the door. So I can't hear them because of the footprints, and I'm going, shush, be quiet. I could hear it. I'm trying to find the source of the noise. And I was looking all over in that corner, I was thinking, what is it? And then I'd move away from the corner, and then I could hear it again. Anyway, I sat down, but I could still hear it. And it was well annoying me. I thought it was my clock radio what had gone off, but it were on low volume. It wasn't that. I thought my lights were making a funny noise. My tree were making a funny noise. It wasn't that. And then I thought, 2 minutes, Tim. Love you, mummy. And then I thought, what the hell is that noise? So I started looking for the source again. Dogs were being quiet by then. They were all in garden. So I had to get right down, move one at boxers. And this one there, just wooding away to itself like there's no tomorrow. Hang on. Here we go. It's like having a disco light round your neck. I can use this on my TikTok. Oh, yeah, pretending earphones for some songs. Oh, aye. Look at that. Change colour. And you turn it up and down with the touch of a button. Off. Slow. Medium. Fast. That's the colour changing, and you turn it off like that. Now there's some TikToks you can make, and you've got to pretend with earphones, one of them. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. So now I can use this wonderful gadget, what somebody sent me in the summer, and use it in my TikToks. Oh, that is brilliant. Hey. Now look, Look what I'm doing. I'm just plonking it at the side of me. That's what I do all the time. I pick something up and put it inside of me. Pick something up on the telly. There's some chocolate. There's my other phone, my charger, my burner, my glass of pop, my fragile tape, snow globe, that pink stuff you put in wine, and I cleaned it all the other day. But yet, there it all is. Stop being a lazy cow. Right, let me finish here because my charger's going to run out. I've been on 6 minutes. Let me post this for you peepies. I'll come back. I've livened up a bit, as you see.